Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the Brother P-Touch PTM95, the best label maker you'll ever need. If you're looking for something compact, reliable, and easy to use, this label maker has it all. The Brother P-Touch PTM95 is perfect for organizing your life at home or in the office. Its portable, lightweight design means you can take it with you anywhere you go. Whether you're labeling files, storage bins, or even crafting supplies, this handy little device makes labeling effortless. With a clear, easy-to-read display, the PTM95 allows you to preview your labels before you print, so there are no surprises. It features 9 type styles, 8 decorative patterns, and a range of frames, so you can get creative with your labels and make them uniquely yours. Plus, you can print up to 12 mm wide labels, giving you the flexibility to work with different sizes. The label maker uses Brother's genuine M tape, and it's compatible with tape widths of approximately 3/8 and 1/2, ensuring a clean, professional finish on every label. Whether you're printing 1 or 2 lines of text, this label maker can handle it all, with a printing speed of 7.5 mm per second, making it fast and efficient. Another great feature of the Brother P-Touch PTM95 is its battery-operated design. It requires 4 AAA batteries, which means you don't need to worry about cords or plugs while you're on the move. The device is simple to set up, and its manual cutter ensures that you can easily cut your labels to your desired length. The PTM95 also offers a range of symbols to add fun and personality to your labels. You can choose from over 200 symbols, perfect for adding a little extra flair to your storage containers, books, or personal items. The device's intuitive QWERTY keyboard makes data entry quick and easy, just like typing on a computer. If you're worried about power, the PTM95 has you covered with an auto power-off feature, ensuring you don't waste battery life when you're not using it. In short, the Brother P-Touch PTM95 is an incredibly efficient, user-friendly label maker that combines functionality with portability. It's ideal for anyone who needs to organize their home or office while adding a bit of style to their labels. With its versatile features, this label maker stands out as the best choice for all your labeling needs. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an honest review of the best products out there.